time in hours and minutes.
When the minute hand moves from one number to the next number, it takes 5 minutes. As shown in the clock, when the minute hand moves from one number to the next number, it takes 5 minutes. As shown in the clock, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 55 minutes, 60 minutes. On the clock face shown on the right hand, the hour hand is between 4 and 5 and the minute hand is at 10. So the time is 4 hours 50 minutes.
Telling time to the exact minute.
There are 5 small divisions between two consecutive numbers on the dial. Now look at this clock face. You will see dots between the numbers. These dots show minutes. On the clock face shown on the right, the minute hand is between 6 and 7. It is 2 small divisions ahead of the number 6. It shows that it has moved 30 plus 2, that is 32 divisions after 4. So the time is 4 hours 32 minutes.
Past the hour, to the hour.
While telling the time, imagine that the face of the clock is divided in half. When the minute hand is in the right side half, we say past the hour. When the minute hand is in the left side half, we say to the hour. In the above clock, the minute hand is at 8. It means that 40 minutes have passed since 2 o'clock and 20 minutes remain before 3 o'clock. The time is 20 minutes to 3. We write 2 hours and 40 minutes. In the above clock, the minute hand is at 11. It means that 55 minutes have passed since 7 o'clock and 5 minutes remain before 8 o'clock. The time is 5 minutes to 8. We write 7 hours 55 minutes.
Expressing time in 3 ways.
The half hour is expressed in only one way. Any time before or after the half hour can be expressed in 3 ways. The time shown in the clock can be expressed in 3 ways as shown below. 25 minutes to 4, or 3 hours 35 minutes, or 35 minutes past 3.
Addition of time in minutes or in hours. For example, add 15 minutes and 25 minutes. Solution is write 15 and 25 in column and then add. The answer is 40 minutes. Now we will add hours. Add 17 hours and 18 hours, which is equal to 35 hours. Subtraction in hours and minutes.
Now subtract 24 hours from 48 hours. Solution is we will write hours in column and then subtract. The answer is 24 hours. Another example is subtract 16 hours 15 minutes from 38 hours 50 minutes. Solution is we will write hour and minute column wise. First we will subtract 15 minutes from 50 minutes. Then subtract 16 hours from 38 hours. The answer is 22 hours 35 minutes.
Use of AM and PM. We have already learned that the time from one midnight to another midnight is called a day. The hour hand goes twice around the dial in one day. It takes 12 hours to complete one round, 24 hours to complete 2 rounds. So, one day is equal to 24 hours. So, AM is used for before noon and PM is used for afternoon. Thus, 8 AM indicates 8 o'clock in the morning. 7 PM indicates 7 o'clock in the evening. 6:45 a.m. indicates 6:45 in the morning. 9:35 p.m. indicates 9:35 in the evening. The time from 12 midnight to 12 noon is noted as AM, anti-meridian, and the time from 12 noon to 12 midnight is known as PM, post-meridian.